Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Peugeot 308. So from any screen, we click the arrow here inside the circle, click on that. That brings you onto navigation. And then you've got the flag at the top, the checkered flag. Click on there. And we want enter destination, like so. Navigate an address. City, country's okay, city. We'll click on city, sorry, there you go. Now we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, P R 5. It's looking like I don't need to put a space in there, but 4 E A, confirm. Navigate to. Confirm the fastest route. Navigation system is an electronic aid. It is not a substitute for the driver's assessment of a situation. All navigation instructions should be carefully checked by the user. Click OK.
If possible, do a U-turn.
So there you go. That's how you set the sat-nav. Thanks for watching.